Good morning. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Jennifer Cripps. Everybody calls me Jen. And lately I have been craving Lebanese food. And so this morning I was looking at some recipes and I come across one called Balila. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, which is Lebanese chickpeas, and we'll turn it into like hummus. So Hummus Balila. And one of the ingredients that we'll need is lemon juice. And I went down to my storage room, my cold room downstairs, and I brought this up. I did this last fall. These lemons look beautiful. I have one more container full of lemons that does not look beautiful. For some reason, they didn't stay submerged and the top is kind of yucky. But this one looks perfect. So I'm going to cut one of these open and give it a cut, give it a taste, and if all goes well, this is what we're going to put into the hummus. I also needed some very soft cooked chickpeas, which I have on my burner right now. I know you can't see it, but I have a small pot of chickpeas cooking. It says to simmer it for about 20 minutes to make them even softer still. And this has just been going for a few minutes. It hasn't even come up to a boil yet. So I'll give that a quick stir, and that can continue doing its thing while we cut open a lemon. My hands are clean, so yes. I've not opened this since last fall, so we'll give it a sniff smell. Sniff smell? We'll give it a smell test. Wow, it's sealed. I didn't even get it open. Maybe I better take a spoon or something and yeah, that is definitely sealed. There. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, this smells so good. If I drank alcohol, this put into vodka would probably make an amazing martini. Anyway, I don't drink alcohol, so they're soft. The skin, like the inside is soft, like it has made more juice than it had when I put it in there. The skin still feels like normal skin. Oh, it smells amazing. Let me seal that back up. Set that aside. And, oh, here we go. I am just floored. Look at that. I don't know if the camera will pick that up or not, but yeah, that looks amazing. Slice a little slice and see. It's lemony and salty at the same time. Yeah, those are absolutely fine. That would make quite a refreshing drink. Just that little bit of salt and one of these squished into it. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Once these chickpeas have simmered for their 20 minutes, I will be back and we will put together this Lebanese Balila hummus. So until then, I'll be back. Hi. Okay, we're back and I am just finishing up crushing and mashing 4 garlic cloves and about a half a teaspoon of some good salt. I chose some flake salt. It's good sea salt. I needed to have some lemon juice, so in my cup I've got 1/4 cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice and 1/4 cup of olive oil. And I'm going to need some cumin. So first of all, I think I am going to scrape out this little dish right here. Plus I need a measuring cup. And I am going to take and place all this stuff into a medium bowl, which I have out in front of me. I gotta tell you, this garlic smells amazing. I bought a beautiful strand of it from a local seller here, and I forgot I had it all winter. So I gotta start using some of this up. It is still very good, so I got it kind of in between. It's not like a complete mush. There is some texture left, but that's roughly 4 garlic cloves. So add that to my bowl. Okay, and now I need to add the remaining teaspoon of salt. I'm going to go a little less than a teaspoon simply because my lemon juice has been brined in salt. So I'm going to just do a 1/2 teaspoon rather than a teaspoon. So add that. Okay, we can set this out of the way. Okay, now I need 1 cup of warm chickpeas that have been drained. So 1 cup of warm chickpeas. And wow, it ain't ever soft. They've been drained, so we're adding that. And I'm going to mash this. What does it say? A chunky consistency. Oh wow. These chickpeas are, I know they're going to be like velvety. Yeah, I'm excited to eat this and try it. Leave in the comments if you make your own hummus at home. And if so, have you got any tips and tricks or favorite recipes? Or do you do it by hand, or do you do it in a blender or food processor? Or how do you do it? Okay. There. That looks like a mush, chunky paste consistency. Okay, stir in the lemon juice and olive oil. Oh, did I leave out? Yes, I needed the 2 teaspoons of cumin. That's a lot of cumin. 2 teaspoons. 1, 2. All right. Just give that a little stir. Oh, it smells so good. Yum. It is still fairly early where I'm at, so this, I think, is going to, ooh, I'm splashing it, is going to be my breakfast. Okay, so now after I got that, then I stir in the lemon juice and the olive oil and the remaining chickpeas. All right, with their juice. Oh my goodness. chickpeas and their juice. Okay. I will mix this. Might have been a little too much juice, but can you see this? Wow. And if so, have you got any tips and tricks or favorite recipes, or do you do it by hand, or do you do it in a blender or food processor, or how do you do it? Okay. There. That looks like a mush, chunky paste consistency. Okay, stir in the lemon juice and olive oil. Oh, did I leave out? Yes, I needed the 2 teaspoons of cumin. That's a lot of cumin. 2 teaspoons. 1, 2. All right. Just give that a little stir. Oh, it smells so good. Yum. It is still fairly early where I'm at, so this, I think, is going to, ooh, I'm splashing it, is going to be my breakfast. Okay, so now after I got that, then I stir in the lemon juice and the olive oil and the remaining chickpeas. All right, with their juice. Oh my goodness. Remaining chickpeas and their juice. Okay. I will mix this. Might have been a little too much juice, but can you see this? Wow. I might just give this another little mash up, just to get a few more of them maybe. Okay, that looks a little nicer, a little more friendlier. Okay. Now it says to top this with some fresh parsley, so I've got some fresh parsley here, which I will just quickly chop up. I don't want to chop too fine. I enjoy parsley. Oh, that smells good too. Nothing beats making yourself fresh food. And it's also very satisfying. Okay, so it's to drizzle with a little more olive oil, but I am going to have a little sample to make sure it doesn't need more salt or more cumin. Here goes, brand new recipe. I would say the salt is fine. I will put a little bit of olive oil on top. Oh, the garlic's coming through. Just look at that. Wow, that's warm. I don't think I've ever had warm hummus. Now, I just so happened to have tried a new recipe last night for pita bread, which I will share that video at a later time. Look at that. Yum. So, guess I'll just try a bit on here and see. That is so fresh, so good. I taste the salt, I taste the parsley, I taste the cumin, I taste just a hint of lemon. If anything, I could probably add another little squirt of lemon on this, but as it is, it's very, very good and very, very fresh. Well, I hope that you have found this little spur of the moment, never made it before recipe making. I hope you've gotten something out of it. If you give it a try, make a comment down leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. But until next time, thanks for joining me in my kitchen. Bye.